Entry 74 in the Journeyman Division, Girl Troubles. Okay, so we all thought all of our problems would magically be solved when dragons became our friends instead of our enemies. Turns out there was a different kind of dragon that stalked Burke. A dragon known as Woman.
So upset at Astrid. I mean, she tells me she doesn't want me to ask her out, but when I don't, she gets mad at me. Women. I swear, every girl on Burke has to be the most high-strung person in the world. Act like they're tougher than all the guys. You know what, Toothless? I'm glad you're a dragon. I don't have to worry about you running off with some other girl dragon or anything. You know, you're just a loyal pet who... Toothless? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where do you think you're going?